Pluto is moving now into the third degree of Aquarius. Now let me just read out the Sabian symbol for this. It's a very interesting degree, this one. A deserter from the Navy, Aquarius 3. Refusal to accept the unacceptable. Points that to consider certain of society's constraints are inappropriate for us, and we must not comply. Refusing to comply with inappropriate authority. Unless we create our own loyalties, the future appears shallow and pointless. So whatever can endure on the inner planes understands and withstands all that comes. This ability to face life head on and meet all things without buckling under is earned, not gifted. It inevitably requires that the individual must go against society and its norms and rules in order to find their own unique true path. Normally, of course, a deserter is not considered to be a good thing, but it is society that's blaming the deserter for being a bad thing. And society isn't always right. Society comes down from the law and normal practices, and the law is not justice. It's framed by people with agendas and money very often. And even the requirements of society for the individual to conform to their way of doing things, it's not justice. That's holding us into the past, and it's giving old age, the older people, greater authority than may be appropriate for the changing times. Now we are in changing times on the level of Pluto is engineering a big change, and when Pluto acts, transformation occurs, which is written in the history books. This is something that we can expect to happen whenever Pluto enters a new zodiac sign. Evidence of this is really clearly written in history, 1914, 1939 being the obvious examples. So Pluto going into a new sign always changes the rule book. A society moves from one way of being, one chapter of his expression, into the next. Now, here we have the energy of Pluto, the transformer, death. If you don't transform, if you don't change on the fundamental level, then you get killed off by Pluto. It's ruthless, totally. And it's deserting from the Navy. So that which we expect to happen, the status quo, that's what that means really. The status quo suggests that what's happening today is pretty much exactly what happened yesterday, more or less. Pluto comes along now and it's saying in Aquarius 3, that's unacceptable. So what are we looking at here? What is unacceptable? Well, there's a lot of proposals coming from politics, especially in America, with a new president taking over this week. A lot of these proposals are very unacceptable, and deportation of illegal immigrants is the first on the agenda, no doubt. Peace deals being struck in Gaza, for example, and in Ukraine, there's always talk. So some of these conditions that are being placed on the parties will be seen as unacceptable to them. It's not an obvious time from the point of view of Pluto to accept a peace deal. Interestingly, however, Uranus is at the 24th degree of Taurus, which is the Indian with scalps, and this is to do with channeled aggression, suggesting that peace deals are on the table. So you've got Uranus wanting us to channel our aggression into something not war. Whereas Pluto is saying, look, this is unacceptable at any cost. I'm not having it. So you've got a very profound sense of tension going on that Sabian symbol level between two of the outer planets. These are not sort of calm waters. These are troubled times that we're expecting here. So on a personal level, if you're in a situation which is actually intolerable, then you will find greater oomph, greater power of stating your case. Pluto is on your side, and that means the most powerful energy that you can access is now accessible. So if you're in a situation which is intolerable, it's just absolutely unacceptable, even to the point where you've signed up, which is a deserter from the Navy, and the deserter would rather go to prison than serve in the Navy. That's the whole thing. The Navy is so bad that anything is better in this particular Sabian symbol. So you might be in a job where it's unacceptable how you're treated, a relationship which is unacceptable, you're getting nothing from it, which is wholesome and sustaining you. Any situation, friendships, relationships of a certain distorted kind with your children even, you know, and certainly with your friends and others, they might be using you for their own advantage without considering your position. Well, that's unacceptable. You can't accept that. You shouldn't accept that. You mustn't be a doormat. We were not born to be stepped on by bullies. And now's the time to rise up against those who are trying to oppress us. And we see this in the news, again, going back to the geopolitical level. What's been happening in China is on the up and up. And as Pluto goes into Aquarius, you might find that that becomes exaggerated. It's boiling over. There will be serious increase in what's going on in terms of riots and public disturbances and so on. Not only in China, I mean France and other places where people have had enough, you know. Injustice. The haves and the have-nots have become very definitely unjustly positioned. So I think we can expect a period of the social uprising against tyranny becoming very underlined during this period. So it's time for change, big change. Yeah.